Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete your empty projects from Claude AI. So to get started, I've got Claude open here and let's navigate over to our projects tab. So we can find that here on the left hand side of our screen. Go ahead and click on that and you should see all your recent projects. So the first step would be to identify which project you would like to delete. In this case, I have one here, test project, and it's pretty empty. There are no instructions, no files, or chats. So all I have to do is click on the context menu that appears here at the right side of your project's name and click on the delete button right there. So another way of doing that without having to go into the conversation would be to mouse over the project in question, click on the context menu, and then click on delete. So it's going to show you a confirmation bubble. Go ahead and click on delete. And just like that, the project has been cleaned up. So it's pretty quick and pretty easy to do. I hope you were able to follow, and I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. As always, thank you for watching.